simplify square root of 7 minus 4 square root 3. 4 root of 17 minus 12 square root 2. And 4 root of 7 minus square root 33 times 4 root of 7 plus square root 33. Okay, do you know how to solve this? If you know, please do it. When you do it already, please come back to watch my video from beginning to the end to verify your solution. And before we go to the solution, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Okay, now we go to the solution together. The first problem, square root of 7 minus 4 square root 3. Okay, we must to simplify the square root this. So first, we must write 7 minus 4 square root 3 in the old square. Okay, to simplify, we know that if square root a square, we simplify square root with square, we get absolute of a. Okay, so now we must write 7 minus 4 square root 3 to a square. Okay, so next we see 7. I can be write it equal 4 plus 3 minus 4 square root 3. Okay, so 4 plus 3 equals 7. And it's equal square root 4 can be write 2 square and plus 3 can be write square root 3 square minus 4 square root 3. And we write it to the formulas. We know that a squared minus 2ab plus b squared equal a minus b all squared. And here is I can be write 2 square minus 4 square root 3. We write it 2 times 2 times square root 3 and plus square root 3 square. And here this, and here this, and here this. So we see it's verify our rule. So we get square root this a squared, we get this a 2. And this b squared, we get this b, we get square root 3, and this subtract. Okay, so we get 2 minus square root 3 whole to square, and we simplify square root with squares, we get 2 minus square root 3 is in absolute value. And we know that absolute value of a is equal a if a positive or 0, and it's equal negative a if a is negative. And so now we see 2 minus square root 3. Square root 3 equal 1 minus 73. So it's smaller than 2. So we get 2 minus square root 3 is positive. So we get it's equal to minus square root 3 is our answer. And now we go to the second problem. It is 4 root of 17 minus 12 square root 2. Okay, the first step, we must write it like in the first problem. We see 17 is equal 9 plus 8. 9 plus 8. Okay, so I can be y is equal 4 root of 9 plus 8 minus 12 square root 2. Okay, so look, is 9 plus 8 is equal 17. And 9 is equal 3 square. So it equals 4 root of 3 squares plus square root 8 squares minus 12 square root 2. Okay? And this 8 square, I can be write 8 equal 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. And here is, we write it 2 square times 2. So square root 8 equals square root 2 square times 2. And here is equal square root 2 square times square root 2. And we simplify square root with square, we get is equal 2 square root 2. So I write in 2 square root 2. We get it's equal 4 root of 3 square plus 2 square root 2 all square minus 12 square root 2. And then I write it to the formula that we know that a square plus 2ab plus b square is equal a plus b all square. So here is, I can be write it 4 root of 3 squares is this minus, and here is minus, and here is minus. So I can be write 2 times 3 and times 2 square root 2. Look, 2 times 3 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. We get this 12 and square root 2. Okay? And plus 2 square root 2 all 2 square. Okay. It's verify our formulas. So we write it equal 4 root of 3 minus 2 times square root 2 all square. And here is, we use the formulas. If square root of, n root of a power m, we can be write in exponent is equal a and power m divided by n. So if 4 root of a square, you see, 4 root of a square like this, 4 like this square, and we think it this a. So it's equal 4 root, we can be write it exponent, we get this a and power 2 divided by 4. And we simplify 2, we get is equal a and power 1 divided by 2. And a power 1 divided by 2, we can be write it square root a. So square root, 4 root of a square can be write square root a. And this, we also can be write is equal square root of 3 minus 2 times square root 2. Okay? And now we do it again like the over. Okay. So now we see this 3. 3 can be write to plus 1. So it's equal square root of 2 plus 1 and minus 2 square root 2. Okay? And it's equal square root of 2 can be write square root 2 square and plus 1 also can be write 1 square and minus 2 square root 2. Okay? And then it's equal, here is square root 2 square minus here is 2 times square root 2 times 1 and plus 1 square. Okay, 1 square, square root 2, and here is 2 times square root 2 times 1, we get 2 square root 2. So it's verify our formulas. So we get is equal square root 2 minus 1 all square. And we simplify square root with square, we get this square root 2 minus 1. So we get the absolute value of square root 2 minus 1, and we see square root 2 equal 1 minus 41. So it's bigger than 1. So square root 2 minus 1 is positive. So the absolute values of square root 2 minus 1 is equal square root 2 minus 1. So it's equal square root 2 minus 1 is our answer. And now we start the third problem. 4 root of 7 minus square root of 33 times 4 root of 7 plus square root 3. Here is we use the formula. If square root a times square root b is equal square root a times b. Also, if n root of a times n root of b also equal n root of a times b. So we use this formula. We get this. It's equals 4 root of 7 minus square root 33 and times 7 plus square root of 33. Okay? So, and then here is, we use the formula. If a minus b times a plus b is equal a squared minus b squared. So, we get is equal 4 root of 7 squared minus square root of 33 squared. And is equal 4 root of 7 squared equal 49 minus here we simplify square root with square, we get is 33. And 49 minus 33 equals 16. So it's equal 4 root of 16. 16. We can write it the factor. It's the primary factors. We must divide it 16. Okay? Divide by 2, we get this a. Divide by 2, we get 4. Divide by 2, we get 2. Divide by 2, we get 1. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 equal 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 power 4. So here is equal 4 root of 2 power 4, and we get the 4 root, and it's power 4, we simplify it, so it's equal to is our answer. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget subscribe to my channel for more exciting video. Goodbye, see you next video.